Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to back up files to Google Drive automatically. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to go ahead and download Google Drive to your computer. So do a Google search for Google Drive download, click on the first link. It's going to be via ipv4.google.com. Then from here, click on download Drive to desktop. Now once that is finished downloading, we want to go ahead and open it up and run the installer. Then from here, once it's finished downloading, click onto the Google Drive setup.exe. Then basically go ahead and run the installer. Then it should say Google Drive successfully installed. Click onto launch. Now once it's launched, we want to go ahead and click on get started. Then from here to sign in to get started, go ahead and sign in with your Google account. Now once you've signed into your Google account, it's going to say success, you've signed into Google Drive. Then Google Drive is going to sign in like so. Now once you sign in, it's going to say sync with Drive. Now this is optional, but you want to go ahead and sync. Now from here, it says here, welcome to Google Drive. Safely store your files in Drive and open with applications on your computer. Choose folders to sync from your computer to Drive. So these folders are going to automatically sync to Google Drive. Now it's going to give you some suggested folders, but if you don't want to use any of the suggested folders, go ahead and click and add a folder and then find that folder you'd like to automatically back up files to Google Drive. So I'm just going to go to Documents. Now once I'm in here, I want to go ahead and automatically back up my tutorial with shared and then select this folder. Now that is checked. Now from here I want to click on to next, and it says difference between sync to Google Drive and backup photos. You can have a read of that. Click on got it. Now to back up photos and videos to Google Drive, additionally you can choose folders to back up your folders. So we can add a folder. Just go ahead and choose your pictures or videos or whichever you'd like. So I'm just going to choose pictures like so. Select folder. Click next. Now it's going to give you a summary of what folders you're going to be automatically going to sync to Google Drive. So I've got my shared folder and pictures. Click next again. And from here, your Drive files are just a click away in File Explorer. So your files will show up in File Explorer without taking up hard drive space. So I've got 40 files and 8 folders in my drive. Click next. And then go in and click on Open Drive. Then from here, it's going to say syncing. So it's going to start syncing your files into Google Drive. And they're going to show you any errors. And you can read the errors by clicking View to see what's happened there. Or you click on View All.